Marketing, marketing, marketing. What works? Who knows? But there is always inspiration all around. So pay attention to what others are doing and then just jump on that bandwagon. And that's what we're going to talk about today is this thing I got today and how it's a great idea. So for example, I was just chilling at home, doing what I do, trying to make a dollar out of 15 cents, a dime and a nickel, and opened my front door, and there was a frisbee there, a frisbee. I was like, oh, nice bright pink frisbee that my kid's playing with. And it's from a real estate agent. They went to the doors and they dropped frisbee, and they left this little package there. And first of all, it's an invitation to an annual Mother's Day sip and shop, where this real estate person I love. First of all, here, connect with real estate agents, especially ones that are doing things like this, because they are movers and they are shakers and they are members of the community, and they know a bunch of the small businesses because they're working with them and building this. One of my tips and tricks that, in fact, I'm working on right now is connect with other small businesses. You're all in the same situation. Everyone's trying to get more clients. This person right here has a database of clients. This person over there, the floral shop, the boutique, the boho shop, the nail salon, the massage studio, all are looking for clients. So if you can coordinate together, you can actually pool a lot of your resources. And what do you know? You have a bunch of clients. So anyways, so this real estate person is putting together a sip and shop for Mother's Day, little thing right here, RSVP, 20 local businesses, And the thing that I love, we love to support local. So here she has a list of local businesses that she knows that she can introduce you to. She can introduce, instead of you going out to each of these businesses by yourself, you doing it. Someone's already done that work for you. Connect with real estate agents, good people. And another thing that this real estate agent person is doing is she is putting together a family barbecue, which is kind of nice. So this person's doing a family barbecue, come in and just saying, hey, come in, bounce house, hot dogs, hamburgers, games, and more. Right here on the top, bring those frisbees. Eat yummy food, bounce, hang out, have fun at no cost to you. Meets your sponsors and neighbors, and that's them. Right? So I love getting stuff like this. I love it, because this is what I'm going to do. And then I will update you on it. Is I'm going to connect with my girl. What's my girl's name? Nicole Heffernan. I'm going to connect with Nicole. I'm probably going to go to this event tomorrow, which is going to be kind of fun, just to meet other small businesses. But I'm going to connect with Nicole and see how we can work together, how I can help her, how she can help me, etc., etc. Teamwork makes the dream work. And more importantly, what I'm going to try to do is see what kind of value I can give her. Maybe I can help her start her own group. Maybe I can start something with her. It's just nice to have energy with another person. Maybe we'll do a show together and we'll connect with other small businesses in the area. And in the process, she will get known and she will become a famous real estate agent, even more famous if she already is one. And then I will be able to use her resources, her connections, her network to kind of get some of my stuff going. So it's always going to be a good win-win. That's what I'm always about. Again, she has some other stuff. She has some QR codes right there. So it's just kind of like RSVP QR code right there. Made it simple for me to just do that and go boop, 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 psh, done. Now she's got me as a lead because she got my info like a nympho. And upcoming events that she has, Cool. What she's done recently, sold. Want to know how much your house is worth? Boo, boo, boo. That's kind of cool. Lending corner, introducing her lender. And there you go. Right. So inspiration is always around you. Connect with local businesses. Connect with movers and shakers. Who already knows a lot of the small businesses you want to connect with? Become their friends. I'll tell you this. If I hit up Nicole and go, hey, Nicole, Let's get some coffee and talk. You know, she's doing all of this work. Maybe she'll go, hey, Wick, let's see what's up. What you got for me, homie? And I'll be like, this is what I'm trying to do. I see this is what you're trying to do. Can 1 + 1 = 21? Maybe, right? But that's going to be fun. And I will keep, you know what? I put my money where my mouth is. I will do this. I will speak with her, and then I will come back to you and report back to you and let you know how it goes. Cool. Be amazing. Connect with other small businesses. It will make your life easier. Instead of you doing all the work yourself by your lonesome, connect with others. What to your mother? Mother's Day coming up. Peace.